Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a new method to get unlimited stars on Among Us. So this works in 2026, it works on iOS, it works on Android. So let's open up Among Us right here and check out our account. So as you can see in the Among Us game, we have 40 stars, which is it's something, but it's not enough. So if I press this button, as you can see, we are now going to be greeted with the Among Us mod menu, and in this menu we can actually turn on unlimited stars. So I just turned it on right here. So let's see if the stars start increasing, and then I'm going to show you how to get this. So as you can see guys, it was close to immediate. So if you're interested, keep watching the video. I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So it's really simple to download. As far as I know, all you have to do is type in this website right here. So when you're in this site, there's like a search bar. There's all these like modded apps and stuff. So just type Among Us. And then as you can see, we have Among Us right there. So I'm going to press on it. And now I'm going to press download. So at this point, we are just going to be completing the final step. So this is verification. So what this is you have to download around 2 apps from this page, and you need to, like, if it says reach level 10 on it, like say it's a game, then I would go ahead and do that. So like Coin Master, it says reach level 10. So I just download this, play it to level 10. So then we've got DraftKings. This one says install the app and open it. So that's pretty straightforward. I actually have to like type something specific, but it's really not that confusing. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but that's how to get free stars in Among Us.